Monster Maze Part 6, Intro Scene and Polish. In this last video, we're going to create our menu scene and then do a little bit of polishing. Right now we have a game scene and the level complete scene. What I'm going to do is create a new actor to act as our title for the game. Inside of the Actors tab, I'm going to click the plus icon to create my new actor. I'm going to rename this actor Title. I'm now going to add a display text behavior to the logic stack, and I'm going to add in Monster Maze for the title of this game. I want to change the size to 60 and give it a color, maybe a light blue, something like that. I also want to make sure that the white background doesn't show up in the actor, so again, over in the inspector, like we did for the game over scene, I'm going to change the alpha to 0. I'm going to go over to the Scenes tab now and go to my home screen. I'm going to drag the title actor onto the scene and increase the size. I'm also going to make sure it's centered right about there. Now we need a play button. In the Actors tab, I'm going to click the plus icon to create another new actor, and I'm going to name it Play. I'm going to add a display text behavior, and I'm going to add in the text Play, and leaving it set to the color of black is fine, and I think I'll leave the actor color set to white. You can change it if you want to. Not only is this actor going to act as a title, showing the words play, but we also want it to be a button. So I'm going to create a rule and change the condition to when touch is pressed. What we want to do is change scene to the game scene, because we want the player to click the button and to be brought to the game. So now that the condition reads this actor receives event touch is pressed, I'm going to search for the change scene behavior inside of the behaviors tab and drag it into the rule. I'm going to explicitly tell the game to change to maze level 1, and there we go. Let's go ahead and add this actor to the scene. I'm going to click the Scenes tab and then click Home Screen, and now I'll drag this actor onto the scene, increase the size a little bit, and position it in the center. Let's go ahead and preview. We now have our main menu here with the title Monster Maze and a play button. If I click the play button, it brings me to the game where I can complete the game by picking up the candies and getting to the finish line, and then eventually getting to the You Win scene. Congratulations! You just built Monster Maze. Next, try out some of the additional challenges found in the curriculum. Thank you for watching this series.